and here's a light source that's coming. It's from here, and then here is where the light is not hitting, and this gives an impression that this is 3D, when in fact this is not 3D, still a two-dimensional object. Now if you want to change the light source, we could do it. You change it from here, and you can give different looks where the light is hitting, wherever that suits what you're making. Right now let's leave it right there. You can soften it up, just soften those edges out. Increase it, increase the size. If you lower the depth, it will be less harsh. See, now it just looks like it's more goes in rather than just plain stop at the edge, like right there. Now those textures as texture patterns. Let's go right there. Now it adds textures such as this, and it's not really that useful. If you have a texture you want to add to it, just put it right there. Contour. Not really that much selection for contour. Alright, let's cancel this out. Now color overlay. Overlay is a color, of course. Now you want to blend it. You go to multiply. Then it'll blend the two colors together. But I forgot what I was gonna say. But yeah, we're gonna learn this later as well. Gradient overlay, just to add a gradient to it, just like that. Now this is pretty useful because a lot of times once you create an object, you can't really select it. You can use the magic wand tool that we did before, but we can't select this thing, and that would be a problem because you could select it, but it's gonna have rough edges. The quick selection tool is not really that good for selecting an object smoothly. So there's a lot of problems when it comes to that. So having this gradient overlay right here is very convenient. That way we don't need to do that kind of stuff. And then if you change it, you can just go to here, you can add color to it, select dynamically, you want the screen, want that in the middle. Now you want this different color, just make this blue. And then you see this color gradient. Now most of the time when I use this gradient, I'm usually making a metal texture or metal looking gradient, and throughout the tutorials we're going to learn how to do that. But for now, we're not. And pattern overlay, pretty much similar to texture. And stroke. No, stroke is just it's pretty much a stroke. Pretty much what it says, of course, is a stroke around the object. Now the object would be a lot more dynamic than just a circle, and it'll create a stroke fully, like around every edge point. And then here's the properties. You can change the stroke size. Now, obviously, you don't want this kind of size of stroke. Usually 3 pixel, 4 pixel will look nice with that. Don't want to overdo that. But of course, this is just a pointless piece of art, so yeah. Alright, and that is it. I don't believe I missed anything. There's still some more stuff where we need to unlock. Well, not unlock, but show. But we're going to learn that throughout the Photoshop tutorials.